So, it's painting day. I ain't gonna roller it out this time. I hate painting. So yeah, I've hired this Airless paint gun. It's a Wagner 350M, and yeah, apparently it should do the job. I think the other is like Wagner or Serco is the ones to get, apparently. But yeah, I've hired this, €23 a day, so quite like to get it done quite quickly. I've bought the primer as well. I'm trying a new primer. It's one from around here. It's Premix, something like that. Yeah, there you go. Is Primalex. So I'll turn it around again. So yeah, Primalex with that. So this is the penetrant primer. I haven't really got a clue how it works, but apparently I can run it through this, and then I've got the same paint as well. I'll go and grab that. Show you guys. So it's from it. Lift it up there. So Primalex Polar is a white paint, and it's like a brilliant white, I believe, or the equivalent. I asked someone I know, Marek, if you're watching the video, thanks. So this is Fred's brother's brother-in-law. Advised us on the brand of paint. I wanted to find something like Dulux Trade in the UK, but something that was a little bit more cost effective, because yeah, got to save the money. So yeah, so I'm gonna prep, sand things down, tidy up, move things out of here so they don't get covered in paint. And then if I have time today, or the plumber doesn't turn up today, I'll try and get a coat of primer done in the whole apartment. See how I get on. Enjoy the video, guys. Subscribe. So that's the next day. I kept walking around finding extra bits to make good, or that I hadn't quite got right just yet, so I finished all that off yesterday. Just about to mix up this plaster sealant primer thing that I've never used before. So watch me mess this up probably. So I'm going to use a Airless sprayer as well, which I've never used before as well, so it's going to be entertaining. But yeah, I'll spin you around and you can watch me mix this up. Mix the whole lot up. And hopefully that'll be enough. Yeah. So I've got a primer stick now. As far as I know, you push the little red button here. Have that set that way, I think. No, that way. And then you turn it on to the lowest level. Yeah, so you get it coming flowing through this little tube here. Once it's flowing through there pretty quick, you're meant to turn this thing diagonally again and start pulling the trigger. You pull the ends off, point in the bucket and wait for it to stop blowing bubbles basically, and then you're pretty much there. And you just screw the nozzle back on. Almost drop it, drop part of it in. Don't drop it in there. So I needed a smaller jet for this primer, but I didn't get one with when I hired this. So I'm basically just going to be really quick when I run over it and on really low pressure, and hopefully it doesn't spray spitty or anything like that too much. And hopefully I don't go through this really quick. But anyway, it's let's faff in, let's just get on with it and see how it goes.
Continue my journey, the sky's the limit. I'm picking out early to finalize digits. Pictures of curvy, I'm in my feelings. It was unworthy of hiding my demons. It would hurt if there wasn't a meaning. Because of that, to tell how I felt. I'm out here finding my peace in the evening. I'm so determined, I'm finding myself. Up with the ice as a melt. I need some answers, yeah. I'll find them all by myself. Just trying to look past it, yeah. One for asking for help. Unless what I ask is fair. Chasing my dreams, that's what it seems. Nothing we can't compare, yeah. This is the time that we need to let go of the way that's been holding us back. This is the time that we need to latch onto our face, so focus on that. I would not let go of something so special or scrape all the moments we had. Remembering cherishing moments could save you from stabbing yourself in the back. I don't know how to stop. I've been around the block 1,000 times. Said I'll turn it down a notch. Been working around the clock. How divine. Sit on the mountain top that some people frown upon. No doubt in mine. Trying to get my money up, I might as well. And pass it for a future, only time will tell. Manifest with love intended, I mean well. I see it in my vision, hold it in my hands as well. Trying to get my money up, I might as well. And pass it for a future, only time will tell. Manifest with love intended, I mean well. I see it in my vision, hold it in my hands as well. Oceanside, broken brights, wholesome times. Close my eyes, won't advise, taking sides. Strolling by, holding mine, flipping pies. Ill-advised, missing words on distant signs. Oceanside, broken brights, wholesome times. Close my eyes, won't advise, taking sides. Strolling by, holding mine, flipping pies. Ill-advised, missing words on distant signs. Yeah, you already know what it is. I don't even know how to stop, baby. One way ticket to the world. Forward march, one direction forward. No regrets.
So guys, it's all painted. I'm a big fan of the Airless paint sprayer. Come out really good. Come so flat. It's I even knocked the wall a couple of times with my body in the little hallway bit. Just sprayed over it. Can't even see where I did it now. It's great. So today, so yesterday I took the sprayer back and gave everything a real good clean in there. So I primed the floor ready for the tiling. So that'll be the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Give us a subscribe.